Hey everybody, I'm doing a quick video. This is out my window. We are having a major snowstorm, and this is all you can really see. Let's see if you can see the snow blowing here. So this is through my window. As you can see, there's like no road, no sidewalk. So I'm gonna open my window.
Yeah, I can help. Holy shit.
And that's what it looks like.
Oh my
Snow
God.
blowing.
Please
Yeah.
hurry, I'm freezing my ass off. I'm in a...
So yeah, we are having major snow right now. Yeah, not the greatest. So, if we lose our internet again, and it's gonna be late putting up a video, so I'm gonna try and do another video, but we'll see. Let me see if I can. Here's a clearer picture. There you go. Yeah, so barely see down the street. So this is what we're getting pounded with. We had a windstorm last week.
Please hurry if I want to watch Walking Dead.
Hurricane force winds.
Oh, guys, wait, point it at me.
Lost internet.
Point it at me. New York State is under a state of emergency. So.
Yes, and we live in the good old city of, I don't care, Rochester, New York.
I wish we would be in New York City right now. There's like
New York City is completely shut down. So yeah, I just want to do this quick video, let you guys know what was going on here. So that's it for now. I'll upload some videos later on and let you guys know how it's going. And this is just the beginning. We're supposed to get up to 2 feet of snow here, so.
I hope we at least have snow on Friday. Or not snow. School on Friday.
But that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys what was going on here. Hope you guys are safe. Hit the like video. Leave comments down below. Subscribe. And hit my notifications so you don't miss a future video. Thanks for all your support. And we love you guys.